television game, man. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing y'all how y'all can get a little bit of airflow in your intake or something. You know, a lot of people when they get intakes, they just get regular intakes like this. But even with that being said, if you want a little extra, you can go ahead and pull this whole thing up. So I'm gonna get back down on the ground and show y'all what I mean. So basically, what you'll do is you'll get down here, you know, undo all these. You know, it's about, I'd say like 6, 7. I mean, it'll be better if you take the tire off, but I just wiggle mine through here, pull this down, and get it out. You know, pull on the bumper a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all when I get done, because my intake goes, you know, all the way down here to the bumper, and it's just one 10mm motor holding it. It's getting a little hard to turn now, so let me find the ratchet. You see, that's gone, and then you can get air from, you know, here, right here, through your light. I think this is just for 300 to charge. I don't know about the new generation because I never really looked, but I see you could do it on like 13s and 12s and stuff. So then you would just wiggle this out if you didn't want to take the tire off, to actually take this all the way out. It's quite simple. It's just one bolt. You know, you get extra airflow from it. So I get back at y'all when I take it out, literally, because I ain't gonna be able to do it with one hand. Jack, lift it up a little bit, give it some space, and mangle it out. But look at all this. All this room. It's dirty in here, but look at all that. So my intake goes straight down in here. Put that back. That's a whole lot of, you know, air. Literally. So I had to take mine out anyway because my intake goes down there. Yep. As you can see, right there. So I'm gonna put all these clips back, and that's gonna be it for this. Yeah. Yeah.
Man, what was you agreeing? What was you kept saying? Why not? You got modded to stay on there.
And you see, this is Johnny's. He could do the same thing as well. Take his off, but I don't know when he gonna do his. Eventually he will.
Yeah, once I figure out how to